Okay.
Means good karma means happiness in future. Bad karma means suffering in future. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you do good karma, then that is not possible. You are going to experience a bad result, suffering.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you do bad karma, it is impossible that you are going to experience a good result, happiness in future.
Yes.
So that is the meaning of lengepa.
Laying about.
This is the first feature of karma, lengepa. Okay.
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 Okay. Now second is le pelwa. Le pelwa. Lasa le au padengbo pella pel wa. Le pelwa.
Le
Le
pelwa.
penwa.
Lasa le au padengbo pella pel wa. Le pelwa.
Le
Le
pelwa.
Lasa le au padengbo pella pel wa. Le pelwa.
Le
Le
pelwa.
pel.
Le, you already know what is le. Pelwa means expand. Expand means like I give you example.
Yes.
Whether it is a good or bad karma. Okay, like bad karma. That bad karma, it is like when you put a small seed, you can see the big plant.
Yes. Yes.
So similarly, bad karma is like a seed. Okay.
Ah.
So it will give you a very big result after a long time.
Okay.
Very big result. It doesn't matter whether it is a bad karma or good karma. So I think I have shared you one stories. There was one arhat. I told you that
Okay.
arhat. You know the arhat?
Drakjomba.
You say dajomba. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. 阿罗汉。阿罗汉。
Dajomba.
在中国。
What do you say in Chinese? Dajomba.
阿罗汉。
Huh?
阿罗汉。
Okay.
Actually,
Any
the sound
fun?
is just same like Arhan.
Okay, arhat.
Yes.
So there was a one very young arhat. Okay, very young boy, arhat.
Okay.
So this arhat, there was a one man, one big man. He doesn't like this young arhat.
Oh,
So
wait a minute.
this
I remember this story.
ah
I remember
So-
this story.
yeah, you remember, yeah?
The monkey, right?
Yeah. He called him a monkey
Yes,
你
yes.
真不给面子。
没有，因为他
Because-
刚刚在问我们进度。
because he is
Oh, okay.
quite young. He's
Yes.
quite young. So when he cross a small water, small pond, he jumps in. He jumps wherever he goes. So that man doesn't like him. Then he started to call him a monkey, like that. So he doesn't like him. So because of his hate, he has a hate, angry hate. So he started to call him a monkey like that.
Mhm.
So finally, he has to become a 500 monkeys in his future life.
Okay.
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 Ah.
Okay.
So if you look at the karma, like you are saying monkey to one people, especially the arhat, it's very, saying monkey is not a big, big karma,
Okay. Okay.
but result is quite big. Okay.
Okay.
So I give you this example from the negative side, but there are so many examples from the positive side also. Even you do a very good karma, very small good karma, after a long time, you will experience a very big, good result in future.
Mm-hmm.
So that means, your karma can be expandable, expand. Okay. I don't know how to say in Chinese, expand.
扩张，可以扩张，扩张啦，有扩张性。
This term, English term, expand.
它有扩张性，可以增长，对，增长。
Look at the chat GPT.
We know, Gala, we know.
You know.
Yeah, we know.
Let's try. I will check it out. Where is it? It's not here. You know, but still I am very curious. Let's see. What did he say? It said nothing.
Gala, you have to highlighting. Expand. 扩展，对，扩大，扩展，扩大。
Okay. Anyhow. Okay. Expand means, it will grow bigger and bigger like that. So that is the second feature of karma. Le pelwa. So it means that, if you have to do a good karma, it doesn't matter whether it is a small good karma, you have to do it. When it comes to the bad karma, it doesn't matter. Do not do any small bad karma, because you are going to have a very big result in future. Okay. Now the third one, le cheba chu misaba. Le cheba chu misaba. Le cheba chu misaba. So lasa le ayada chasa che pa cheba cha shabdu chu ta chu maki ku mi sa pa chu misabas. Le cheba chu misabas. So if I say this in English, it is very easy. Your karma, it will not spoiled. Okay. So chu misaba means not spoiled. Spoiled means I don't know. Let's see in a chat GPT. Spoiled. What do you say?
Spoiled.
Spoiled means, what did it say?
It
just like broken.
No, not broken.
It will not broken. I don't know. The English term spoiled.
It's just like the kid of your sister.
Yeah. Like you do one good karma today, that karma will goes continuously until it gives its result. Your karma will go to the next life, next life, next life, until it meets with the factors, other factors, then it started to give result.
我来听无。
So karma will go from one life to the another life. It will go continuously.
Okay.
And it will go until it gives its own result. Do you get my point?
I think
Not
maybe
sure.
yes. What is
Okay,
Cheva?
I don't know if I write this here in chat GPT. Maybe karma will not be spoiled, okay, until it gives its own result. I don't know. Let's try.
操，
哦，
这个很屌哎！
很屌哈。
业力不会失效，直到它结出属于自己的果报。
对，
啊，It means the lay did
Hmm.
not disappear
Yeah.
until
Until
he become the result.
it comes a result.
Ah,
Yes,
哦，
never disappear.
yeah. Until it gives its own result.
嗯，
So your karma will go from this life to the next life, next life, next life, like that. You can see there are some people, very good people. They don't do any bad thing in their life. Still, you can see there are so many, bad things happening in his life or her life. This guy is very good. He doesn't harm to the people. He is a very good people, but still he is facing so many difficulties in his life. So this, problem, it's not because he has done something wrong in this life. He is experiencing the result that he already done in his previous life.
Yes, yes.
So many past lives. Okay.
Okay. I have a question.
Some people, they are doing very bad things in their life,
你无
but
你
still
听。
they are very happy.
Okay.
Yana Chen has a
What is
question.
what is chu means?
Chu misawa. Chu means chu. Actually, the only term chu. Okay, this one. This one. Chu. Okay. The term only chu doesn't make sense. It has no meaning.
Okay.
Now chu sawa. Now there is a meaning. Chu misawa. There is a meaning. Okay. Chu sawa means spoiled.
哦，沙瓦。
Sawa means spoiled.
Spoil.
它这边的 spoiled 是变质，东西会
And
坏
then
掉，
chu
变质。
misawa means unspoiled.
Oh.
居民沙瓦
Spoiled or
unspoiled.
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 You said
Chu sawa.
broken in your language. Broken.
Yes, just like the food sometimes were broken.
Yeah.
Yes.
Spoiled. We said spoiled.
Spoiled.
Some
Chu sawa, chu
in,
sawa.
in English, like some parents, they are being very nice to the child, and that child becomes bad person. We call it
Yes.
spoil.
This is the first meaning, just like this.
Spoiled.
Yes,
This
and
one
the
also.
second meaning, just like
Second
the
one,
food is broken.
ah, okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
here, what does it means? Like spoil in here?
Yes. 业力不会失效，直到它结出属于自己的果报。
背
It
起来。
means the lead did not disappear.
Yeah, it will go continuously.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So Tibetan term Chu Sawa means spoiled. Chu Misawa means unspoiled. So here, Le Cheba Chu Misawa means whatever you have committed. Cheba means committed. Cheba means committed. Okay.
Okay.
Tibetan term Cheba means committed. Or English done or did.
已做的事，
If you have,
往事。
whatever the karma that you have committed in this life or in your previous life, okay, your karma will be remain. It will go continuously until it gives its own result.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, okay.
So cheba means karma that you committed. Cheba. Okay. You have already done that karma. That karma will not be spoiled. It will not be destroyed until it gives its own result. Okay?
Okay.
Now last, the karma has 4 features, 4 qualities. Now last one. Le mache bada mithe bas.
雷马切巴当，米
Yeah,
切巴。
if you have not done this karma, then you will never meet, you will never experience any result. That is the also feature of karma.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
这相反怎么讲啊？相反的英文。
好像是 opposite 是不是？
This two is opposite, right?
Sorry?
I mean the
反
雷切巴取米萨巴 and 雷马切巴当米切巴 is opposite.
Now, I have
Opposite.
made a little mistake here. Sorry. Actually, this translation, it has to be here, but this one has to come here. But I don't know. It switched here.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. The result of karma created is never lost here. Le chebachu misewa. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Le machena miteva means we cannot meet the result unless we have created the cause.
Okay.
Means, if you have done nothing, then you are not going to experience anything.
Okay.
That is also the feature of karma.
Okay.
Okay, I give you an example. Some people, very big accident. Okay, like a car accident, but they don't die
Okay.
because they don't have a karma to die now. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Some people, they die immediately after a small accident, like a cycle accidents.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, some people, they slip from the steps, they die easily because they have a karma to die now.
Okay.
So if you have a karma to die now, then you don't need a very big factors. even a small factors
有
can,
待
yeah, allow you to die. Okay.
OK
If you have no karma to die now, then it doesn't matter. Even you face a big factor, so many big factors, but you are not going to die.
OK
Okay. I think I gave you an example. One truck driver. You know the truck,
yes
嗯
you know the truck, yeah?
卡
，Yeah，
车司机
卡车
The，big truck driver.
嗯
So he was driving from Shimla to somewhere else in the night. Shimla actually it's a Himalaya near to Dharamsala. Very big mountains, you know. And then this truck driver fallen. He slipped and he fell down. He fell down from the mountain. Okay. Then next day, next early morning, people they came to know that somebody has fallen down from the road, you know, from the mountains. So then they started to check out. They just go down and check out. Then they found this guy, the truck driver. He, he was hanging on the tree branch. Tree branch. He was hanging there. So this branch, actually goes from his stomach, his abdomen, and it already came out of backside.
我操
，Wow，
So full night he was staying like this on the tree.
OK
Then they called to the ambulance came, and they cut down the tree branch from here and backside, and they took him together with that branch
Oh，
to the hospital. Okay.
OK
Then they started to do, surgery, operation. Finally, they were able to take out that big branch. And he did not die. He survived.
我操
Okay. It is like that. So even somebody who has done such a terrible accident, but they don't die if they have no karma to die.
yes
If they have not committed any karma to die now.
but I have a question
Okay.
actually I'm confused if he don't have karma to die then why he will have how to say have accident
Pardon me again, please
不
您
是
看
I'm
我我的
also
意思是
清楚。
说
confused his
他现在讲的是
question.
结果嘛他说他现在不会死是因为他的业力还不到
不是他的意思说他没有造这个业，他就不会发生这件事情。所以
哦
他这次的意外他还活着，是因为他过去没有造一个恶业。
那我的问题是那为什么还会发生意外你不
为什么
会发生意外就不会有这个树枝穿过
他的
身
业因
体的这个
他应该是这样讲，他造的那个业不至于让他死亡，但是会让他受伤，他必须要开刀，开刀也是一个业啊，皮肉伤啊。
OK
嗯，
好哦
It is possible that he has a karma to do accident, but not to die.
not to die，对。
啊 OK
Okay, but he has no karma to die, but he has a karma to do accidents.
OK
天哪，
Okay.
天哪
Mm.
I have a story. I fell down with my car.
Mm.
I fell down with my car around 4-story building, the high 4-story building. I fell down with the car.
Okay.
And nothing happened, but my car is broken. My car is broken. Yeah, and I still alive.
Is it a true story?
Truth of myself.
Oh, okay. I
Otherwise,
felt that you are.
I'm not here anymore.
Okay.
哎，你们听得懂我在
That
讲
is
什么吗？
interesting. Yes, really surprised to know that.
呀，哎，你们听得懂我在讲什么
And
吗？
then I also have another
大概懂。
story.
我车子摔4层楼，然后我人没死，车子烂了。
哎，
I
我操
also have another story. Okay, there was one Israeli army.
！Army，OK，
Yeah, and he was shot by bullet
靠
from here to there,
，OK，
but he did not die.
但是变植物人这样子吗？
他
I
有讲到
think
植物人吗？
he was shot from here or then
Oh.
come out from there, but he did not die.
哇哦，
And there are stories like that. Army.
Okay.
He was shot from here. I think here to here or here to here. I really don't know. But he was shot on his head.
OK，
天
But
哪，
he did not die.
but any side effect？
I don't know, really don't know. But he did not die.
哇哦，
And there was one American MP. MP, you know, the member of parliament. You know, they call it what do you Congresswoman. Congresswoman.
No, I don't know。
What do you say? Let me check it out in the chat GPT.
他刚刚讲的那个是比死还痛苦吧？
对啊，那到底还能不能？
啊，国会议员呐、
嗯，
What do you
哦，
say?
是背过吗？
嗯，国
Yeah, they are
国会议
member of
员
parliament.
嗯
Very big man. Also
Mm.
one big woman. We call it Congresswoman.
哦
And
，OK，
yeah, she was a very big supporter of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
嗯
But she was also shot by gun from here to here. But she did not die.
，it's another story, another one.
Which one?
I
You
mean,
have?
no. I mean, this case is another story, different story.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. This is in United States, US, America.
嗯
She was supporting to Tibet. She was supporting to His Holiness the Dalai Lama for a long time. She was a very great supporter. And one day after campaign of election, after finishing the campaign of election, she went to buy something in a grocery shop.
嗯
Convenience shops, there are so many convenience shops. So she
Convenience
went to
store.
buy something and somebody came and shot her.
嗯
She did not die. Then she stopped her career in politics.
嗯
Since then, she did not come to the politics, come back to the politics.
嗯
Okay. So it is like that. Some people, even they faced a very big factors, very big incidents, but they don't die because they don't have a karma to die now. So if you have a karma to die now, then it doesn't matter. You have to face a very big factors, You don't have to face such a shooting a gun or like falling from the mountain, something like that, Even a small slip from the step, people die. I have seen one guy, he had a cycle accident, cycling, very cycling accident, and then he died immediately. It is like that. And recently, one of my friend, he was a monk. Now he's not a monk. He was a monk before, earlier. So he was playing football, soccer, and he had an accident with another one when they were playing. Then immediately he died.
Wow.
Oh,
草是
they took him to the
Wow.
hospital and he died. He was one of my friend. So when I heard this news, I was also very surprised. People were saying that, he said, it was so big, like a big hurt. So they took him to the side and they started to play. They ignore him. Okay, he was just lying down. They took him, they lifted and then put him to the side, to the corner, and they started to play. They completely ignore him. But he was just lying there. Then he did not, stand up. Then they went to look. They went to look at him. Then when they look at him, then they came to know situation is very serious now. So then they started to call to the ambulance. So ambulance came and they put him to the ambulance. Before he reaches to the hospital, he died on the way.
抢救不及时啊。
Yeah. Again, I have another story. my yoga teacher.
Sorry?
My teacher of yoga.
Okay.
She is a very with a very healthy body. And one night after fall asleep, and she never wake up.
Oh, okay.
Never wake up.
Oh.
Suddenly.
So what was the cause of death?
We don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
She just told
So
us.
we also had the same situation here in Dalai Lama Institute. One
Really?
Tibetan lecturer, history lecturer, he died suddenly. In the evening, when we finished our office, we were going back together. And the next day, we have a meeting with our principal. This principal, right? The present principal is a new principal at that time.
Oh, I see.
And then we said, tomorrow we have a meeting with the principal. He was saying like that. Tomorrow we have a meeting with the principal. He was saying like that. At that time, he was like, he was very fit, no problem, nothing. So after he went back to his home. So next day, when we were about to start our meeting, he did not come. Then our principal said, it's okay, we will start our meeting. Don't worry, ignore about him. So we had a meeting. There was almost like a 3 hours meeting. Then we went for lunch. At the lunch, he did not come there. He did not turn out for lunch. Then people started to get suspicious. Oh, something happened to him. Then after lunch, people started to go and check his room. Then they knocked the door. He did not open the door. Then we broke down the door. Then when we got inside, then we came to know that he's already died.
Wow.
Yeah, then doctor, they do autopsy. You know the autopsy.
Autopsy.
Autopsy means
尸检吗？
Check again.
尸
maybe
检
autopsy. I think so. This is the right.
Oh, okay, okay, got it.
对吗？尸检，
尸检，对。
尸检。
Ah, you got it, yeah?
Yeah,
Shinji
we got it.
or Yanshi.
验尸，
验尸 It
Shinji.
means it check the body.
Yeah.
Check
So
the
they
dead
checked
body.
the body
Yes, yes.
and they came to know that, he had a very sharp heart attack in the middle of night.
Wow.
Very short period of time, but very, what do you call that? Very sharp heart attack suddenly.
嗯，
心脏
Then
病
he
吗？
died.
对，
So that is the cause of death. Cause of death means this.
嗯
Cause of death. A small heart attack.
嗯
So it is like that. So if you have a karma to die, nobody can stop you. Even
Yeah.
the small things can affect to you. Okay, so these are the 4 features of karma, 4 qualities of karma. Le ngeba, le pelwa, le cheba chu misaba, le machebada mitebas. Okay, this English translation is little bit mistakes here. Okay, you have to switch it. Okay, I put this translation here and that translation here. So you have to switch it. You have to change it. Okay. Okay. Any
Okay.
question? Any question? No question. Okay. Now let's go. Now there are another types of karma. Le sakla, le macheba. Sakla, macheba.
萨拉马切巴，
Osa kasa sak la macheba. Macheba.
马切巴，
Osa kasa sak la macheba.
萨拉马切巴，
Le sakla macheba. Sakla macheba.
萨拉马切巴，
Sak means sakba means carried out. Macheba means not
Accumulate.
accumulated.
accumulate, carry out.
So I give you example. So let's say, I don't know in Taiwan, here in India, we have so many mosquitoes.
Oh,
Do you have mosquitoes in
yeah,
Taiwan? You
yeah.
have?
飞
Okay.
往过求
A
人不
lot of mosquitoes.
Okay. So I like a mosquito comes and bites you.
Mm.
Okay. Then you feel very angry. Oh, I will kill this mosquito.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. I will
Okay,
kill the
you get
mosquito.
my point, yeah?
You will
Yes.
kill
You
the
feel-
mosquito.
You feel very angry to that mosquito. I want to kill. Okay, then somebody comes to your room and you started to talk with him, then you forgot to kill that mosquito. So that kind of karma is lesakpa. Lesakpa means you have already had a motivation to kill, but you did not commit it. You did
Oh,
not kill it.
Okay.
嗯，
You
有
already
念
had
念头还没做。
big intention, big motivation to kill that mosquito, but you did not kill. Okay, so that kind of karma we call le sakla. You carried out that karma, but you did not you did not accumulated that.
少一类
业吧。
Le sakla le macheva.
也
他
上了嘛去
carry out with
Sakla, sorry,
no nothing. It's okay.
le sakla or sakla macheva. Or if I put here le sakla le macheva. Then next one le chela le masakpa.
诶，切了马萨瓜
You have accumulated that karma, but sorry. You have accumulated that karma, but you did not carry it out. It means translation is a little bit wrong here. Little bit wrong here. It means here like you did not carry it out that, but you have accumulated that karma. Okay, so I give you an example. When you walk, hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
When
Okay,
you
when
walk,
you walk, you step on the small,
ant.
ants, or you step on small species.
Okay.
You kill that, but you have no motivation to kill. You did
Yeah.
not know that. You are not aware of killing that
Yes.
that ants or any species, small tiny species. Okay, so that kind of karma, we call it, you have accumulated that karma, but you did not carry it out.
Yes.
Okay, so Tibetan we say le chela le masakpa.
Lama Sapa.
晨晨，你可以帮我翻译吗？我转不过来。
Okay, okay. Gela, I think I can translate to Chinese.
Okay, you will translate that. Oh, you want to do it please now.
OK OK，第一个是他说萨拉马切巴的意思呢是你想了，可是你没有做，
哦，然后
你
第二
想了，
个是
可是你
你做，
没有做。
但是你没有去动这个念头，是
对
无意的。
第二个是切拉马萨巴是你做了，可是你没有想。
就是比如说不小心踩死一只
对，所以他刚
蚂蚁
举的例子就是你如果踩了蚂蚁，或者是你踩了小昆虫，你不是说哦，我故意要去踩它，你就单纯走路而已。对对对，可第一个是你想要杀蚊子，可是他可能你朋友来找你交换，你忘记杀他了。对对对，
我只是觉得很奇怪，用 accumulate， 因为 accumulate 它这个字的意思是累积，然后
This one is wrong. Okay, carried out, not carried out.
OK， 好，我卡在英文翻译了，没事。OK，谢谢。
我看不懂英文。
哦，对，我卡 accumulate
Carried out, not accumulate. You accumulated but not carried out.
OK
Okay.
OK。
Okay. Now the third one. Chesa nika changwa.
写上面
Chesa nika means both.
Nika
啊 ，Nika means both。
Nika means both.
想了又做了。
Changwa means exist. So here means both carry out and accumulated. Means you have a very angry to kill somebody and you go and stab the knife. Means you killed, you committed that karma and you also, accumulated that karma. Le sakla, le cheba, both. Le cheba, le sakpa, both. Okay. So now I actually here, I gave you example only from the negative side.
Yes.
But if you look from the positive side also like that, sometimes, you have very good motivation to do something, but you cannot do it.
Yes.
Sometimes you want to help the poor people or something in your heart. You want to do something, but you cannot do it because maybe you are very hurry, you are in rush to go to your work, you cannot help that person like that.
Yes.
So le sagla le macheba. Sometimes without any motivation, you do very good things to the people. Isn't that? Sometimes you are chanting the mantra, Om Mani Padme, Om Mani Padme, no intention, no motivation there. So that is, you accumulated good karma, chanting mantra. But le masapa, le cheba, le masapa, like that. And
Yes.
sometimes you have a very good feeling to the help, and then you just go and help the people, serve the people. That is
Yes.
le chesani ga changwa.
Okay.
Okay. Then the last one is chesani ga machangwa.
我唱了。
两个都没做。
Yes.
The absence of both accumulation and executions.
嗯
So this have nothing, right?
Yeah,
其实你干嘛唱了？
yeah.
You did not think and you did not do.
Means a neutral, neutral.
Okay. Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So now we have already discussed about the karma so many times. So we will stop here now.
Okay.
We have to continue the Marikpa, we finished. Yeah.
Yes.
Now Duchigile karma finished.
Yes.
check it.
Yeah. Okay. Now
Yes.
third one,
Okay.
Namshi.
Namshe,
Namshi,
Namshi.
consciousness.
consciousness, consciousness.
Sure.
So you do karma, you committed karma. That karma will become an imprint.
Imprint.
Imprints.
意识，意识。
意识。
I don't know in English, in Chinese, let's see, imprint. Inji.
印记，
Ah,
印记。imprint，
okay.
印记。
是。
I don't know in your karma. So today, like right now, I am teaching to you. So after half an hour, I will finish my class. Then that karma, that good karma is finished now. But that karma will convert it transformed into the imprint.
Okay.
Okay, so that imprint, you will put that imprint on your consciousness. So your consciousness will carry that imprint everywhere, from this life to next life.
80天，
Okay. 南是。
namshi， namshi， 想
Namshi. So
是。
namshi，
you know this. It is like a storage.
yeah，仓库。
Changku. So your consciousness is like a storage of karma.
storage， 仓库。
So you keep all karma on your consciousness.
Okay.
Okay. So whether you do a good karma, you will put your imprint on your consciousness. Whether you do a good karma, you will also put that imprint on your consciousness.
Okay.
Then that consciousness will carry all your good karma and bad karma imprints. So that imprints, when it meets the factor, then it will start to give result. You know the factors. Factors means, I don't know. In the Chinese, factors.
因素，因素。
Let's say like so many factors.
许多因素。
What do you say then?
许多因素。
Okay, so that imprint get so many factors, then it will start to give result. Then you are going to experience the result of your karma that you have already done in the past.
Okay.
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 So when your karma that becomes imprints, that imprints does not get any factors. This, what do you call that? What do you say that?
Insu.
Insu.
Yes, yes.
When it doesn't get any factors, then it will not give any result.
Okay.
Okay. So the karma only cannot produce the result. It needs so many insu, so many factors. Insu.
Yes, yes, yes. क्या कर पे याबुदु?
Yabudo.
Yeah, yabudu, yo. Pe yabudu.
So karma alone or imprint alone cannot produce any result. It cannot make any result unless it meets with so many insu.
遇缘而生啊，它有因缘才会发生。
Yes.
Okay. So if your karma do not get any insu, so it will go continuously on your consciousness. It will go with consciousness from this life to next life and next life to another life, like that. Okay. Maybe after 1,000 lives, then this karma that you have done in this life, when it gets insus, then it will give result after 1,000 lives, you know.
Never disappear.
Maybe a next life, it could be an after next life, who knows? But we really don't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why Buddhist, we are talking about the interdependence. Everything is interconnected. So Buddha taught us about the concept of interdependence. Okay. What do you call the interdependence in Chinese? Interdependence. Sorry, interdependence. So spelling mistakes. Dependence. I think this one is correct.
单字怎么长啊？
This one.
相互依赖。
相互依赖。
相互依赖。Interdependence.
相互依赖。
Yes.
Everything is depending to each other.
Yes, yes. 相互
We
依
are
赖。
depending. Boys are depending on girls. Girls are depending on boys. We are depending on like animals. Animals are depending on us, like that. Everything is interconnected.
Yes. 相互依赖。
Okay.
Okay.
Shangu Eli. Okay, Shangu Eli. I don't know
Yes.
if I'm pronouncing correct or not.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Shangu Eli.
Gela, you have the talent.
Huh?
You have the talent.
I don't know. Shangu Eli. Good, you know, ChatGPT helps me. ChatGPT helps me. Okay, so third consciousness. So here I don't want to teach you about the consciousness. If I talk to you about the consciousness, then I have to teach you about the entire subjects of Buddhist psychology. Okay, so I will stop here.
Okay.
Yeah, then I have to continue my full subject of Buddhist psychology. Okay, so Namshe. Then after that, it comes Mingsuk.
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 Genla, I have a question.
Oh, please.
We have the photo, right? And the Namxie. What's the photo of Namxie?
What is photo?
What is the photo of Namxie? Just like
Sibekoro.
On the
okay,
Sibakoro,
okay.
yes.
Oh,
because Maripa is
okay.
a people, right?
I'll go back. Sorry. It's a monkey. I forgot this. Yeah, this one is the monkey, okay. But in this, in this image, it is written only monkey here. But according to the textbook, it says monkey should be, you have to draw a monkey that should be jumped from one branch to the another branch like this.
Oh.
Because it means, your consciousness goes from one life to another life.
Oh.
That is the meaning of that. So one tree to the another tree like that. So monkey, it holds a one tree branch and he is jumping to the another tree branch like that. Like that. So you have to draw like that.
Okay.
So the meaning of that, that diagram means, your consciousness. Monkey represents the consciousness. Why? Because our consciousness doesn't stay in one moment. It goes here and there, like a monkey. Monkey doesn't sit in one place. It goes here and there, everywhere.
Okay.
The monkey is the only animal. It doesn't sit on the one place for a long time. It moves, from here and there like that. So similarly, our consciousness, it moves constantly, goes here and there. It doesn't stay in one place or one moment. So that's why the monkey represents the consciousness. In the drawing, according to the textbook, it says you have to draw that monkey jumping from one tree branch to the another tree branch. Okay. But in this picture, it is not like that. In this picture, it has written a monkey, it has drawn a monkey, but not jumping from one tree to the another tree. That is incorrect.
Yes.
It's not a way to draw.
The place is too small. It's very hard to draw.
Yeah, but people can draw easily.
Oh, yes.
Okay. I felt that I have this picture, but I couldn't find it out right now. So if I can find out that picture, then I can zoom it out so you can see that picture easily, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, this one. The first one is a blind person, blind.
Yes.
Second one is a potter making so many pots, yeah?
Okay.
Then third one is a monkey.
Monkey.
And monkey jumping from one tree to the another tree like that.
Okay.
Okay, done?
Okay. Yes.
Oh, where is it now? I forgot to put the picture here. Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. Maybe here. This one here. Little bit bigger here. You can see this, yeah? Monkey. Can you see
Yes.
here? Yeah,
Yes,
monkey
yes.
here. Oh, this one is also big. Same? Same. Yeah. Namshe. Now Mingsu. So what do you think? Shall we stop here today? Too long? Too
Okay.
much?